Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com here for NTMarkets.com with your Tuesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, daily chart of the ES, and what we've got here is potentially a little bit of a pullback. We had some bearish follow through yesterday, and the thing that was interesting about yesterday was um, I had posted in the morning. Um, I had posted in the morning. I talked about 1701 or 1801 rather, and 1798. I posted this chart up on Twitter and up on the website in the afternoon. Here's 1798 and here's 1801. I said it's a support zone until it's not. You had it test here, and what had happened that morning was we sold off of the open and we came down to hit 1801 and it bounced. Now, during the course of this uptrend, how many times have we seen that? We've seen the bears come close to something and then have it taken away, right? Well, this time the bears turned it around, and what they ended up doing was getting that lower low that had been so elusive to them all the way through the uptrend. They didn't go back and retest 1801 and make it a double bottom. They actually pushed below, broke through 1798. Then what we saw overnight was one of the things I talk about a lot. Support becomes resistance. We see resistance consistently now at the 1801, and now it is beginning to consistently fail. We've made an overnight low of 1793.25. So I have a swing short on that's working very well. I took a hit on a long yesterday simply because buying dips has worked very well, and buying dips works until it doesn't. And there's one time where it's not going to work, and so you factor that in. But in the big scheme of things, it works more than it doesn't. So I'm out of my longs. I'm letting my swing short work now. The basis on that has been 1802, and so we've taken some off of that, but I still have some left. And right now I'm looking to do two things. I'm looking to sell rallies, and then I'm looking at the middle band here as the next area where there needs to be some decisions made. If the bears are going to turn this into a meaningful pullback, longer than, we had a 3-day pullback here, 3-day pullback here, 1, 2, 3, 4, you could argue 5 or 6 days here. If they want something more corrective, they need to break through the middle band, test the middle band as resistance, have middle band hold, and then there should be another leg down. What has been happening is one of two things. Either we are testing middle band and middle band holds, or we fail to test it. A sharp reversal today right here at like 93 would be similar to this move here. Am I expecting that today? No, I'm not. I'm looking for more from the bears. I think that we've gotten extended up here. We did do as much as 60 handles over the 45-day pivot at one point. We've been consistently 50 handles over the 45-day pivot for a period of 3 to 4 days. That is very consistently stretched on my technical analysis. So we need to do. I think the bears have a little more in them. If they want it, they can push it down here. But if you're a bear, you don't want to violently go down to 86, 87 because the dip buyers will come in and they will bounce it. And then you're going to have the bears will have to come in and probably push back at the 1801 area again and turn that into confirmed resistance. I think that's going to happen anyway, but if you're a bear, you'd rather have it happen from, say, right here so that it turns into more of a stair step down. See, my concern is we're not stair stepping. We're not stair stepping. We're in the process of kind of dumping out. And the bears will do what they've done so many times, which is to get ahead of themselves. Just to try to get it all done in about a day, and then we go right back up. So if the bears are going to do anything meaningful for longer than a few days, there needs to be some give and take. It needs to be a stair step down. So we'll see how today goes. But that's how I'm playing it. This big support zone right now has been broken. I would expect it to be tested. It has to be tested. It has to be held as support, and then we go down and do a lower low, which is likely middle band, and we can evaluate things from there. But losing this support zone after so much time shifts me into sell rallies mode. So that's where I am. Sell rallies. Uh, I will be out with charts all day today. Follow me on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Check out the website. Check out the chat room. Don't trade this stuff by yourself. Come in and check it out. Take a 2-week free trial. See if we can help your trading. I will be back tomorrow morning with another webcast, and we'll be out with charts throughout the day. Have a fantastic day. Trade them well, everybody.